works, baby!
Oh, sorry. Didn't see you there. Hololive English Advent's Devilish Diva, the one and only Nerissa Ravencroft. Thank you.
She was not giving baby for me. She was giving sexy.
Was it the pose?
Maybe the pose influenced me.
I felt like it was a very clean performance. There. No frills.
Yes. She's the baby I would hire. You know how when people film like high school shows, but they hire adults to play the high schoolers?
Yeah.
She's the person I would hire for my show like that. And I would hire her to play the baby because I know she's professional. Yeah.
She is. She was giving professional voice actress.
She was
For
very
sure.
professional.
Yeah.
But, so I suppose sound frequency. She was in the sound frequency, but baby similarity? I don't know. Goo Goo Gaga, what do you think?
I think it was if you look past the elegant lady, I think it was giving more child coughing rather than baby coughing. Yes.
So we'll have to dock a little on baby similarity. Child similarity, though. Much higher.
Similarity.
Goo Goo Gaga, unfortunately, is tied to baby similarity. They're not the same, but they go hand in hand. Sound frequency, you can have this one. All right, I'm ready to give my score.
I'm adjusting my score. I'm also ready to give my score.
All right. 1, 2, 3. It seems like we once again agree on this score.
I didn't copy your homework.
She was a beautiful professional baby. Child. But on the Coughing Baby Show, you have got to be a baby. It's in the title. It's in the casting call.
It is.
It's in the script, you know. I would hire her. But not today.
Come back next week for
Yes.
our new show.
Coughing Child Show.
Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you don't miss a single live and new video upgrade.